All about bookmarks. If you are concerned about saving your bookmarks so that they are available to you over the summer or at the least next school year, here's a couple options for you. So, option number one is using iCloud and making sure your bookmarks are on Safari. Okay, so we'll go through talking about Safari, Firefox, and Chrome. So you can skip ahead and whatnot as you need or pause as we go. So first thing I'm going to do is bring up Safari. Scenario one is you actually have all your bookmarks in Safari already because that's what you use. If you do, then what you want to do is go to the Apple and click System Preferences and go to iCloud. And when you're in iCloud, you may have to set up your Apple ID for iCloud so that basically you're logging into iCloud. But once you're in iCloud, you're able to then go to Safari and check off that box. Once you do that, it'll automatically save all of your bookmarks that you use in Safari. The neat part about that is it'll make it so that your bookmarks and history are available on all Apple devices that you have signed in using your Apple ID, your iCloud login and password. So that's a nice, easy feature. So that when you go straight to Safari on your iPad, you can see all of the same bookmarks on there as well. All right, so let's say that you want it to be that way, but currently you use Firefox or Google Chrome. So this is another option for you would be to open up Safari, and then you can go to File. And when you go down, you can see Import From, and you can choose whichever browser you use currently. If you use Google Chrome or Firefox, you can select that. And when you select it, it gives you the options to import your bookmarks and your history from Chrome or Firefox. So once you hit Import, they will all go into Safari. And then you can go ahead and connect to the iCloud like I just showed, and everything's all set for you. Your option two is if you do not want to transfer things and use Safari, and you just love Google Chrome and Firefox so much and you don't want to mess with Safari. So we'll sort of walk through that. Here's Google Chrome first. So if you use Google Chrome, and you just want to keep your bookmarks here, here's what you're going to do. Now, I originally thought that if you're logged into Gmail, that it would automatically save your history and your bookmarks, and it does, but not on mobile devices. So we need to do something else to make sure your bookmarks are saved. Either way, it's a good just backup. So what you're going to do then for Chrome is on the top right of the toolbar, there's these little three dots. You're going to go ahead and click those, and then you will go to Bookmarks and open up this Bookmark Manager. Once you open up this Bookmark Manager, this is where you'll see all of your bookmarks listed. You're going to click on this little Organize tab and scroll down to Export Bookmarks to HTML file. So I'll go ahead and click that. What that's going to do is it's going to make a file of your bookmarks so that you can import them later. So you want to export these into your OneDrive, or if you don't have that set up yet, just export it to your desktop and you can always drag it in later. So I'll go ahead and hit save. And at that point, you can see up here I have my Google Chrome bookmarks. And then I'm able to save those into my OneDrive later. And next year when I get back to school, I'll be able to import those bookmarks into Google Chrome or whatever browser I want to be using. On Firefox, the way to do this on Firefox is on the top right here. There's a little icon. Looks like a little to-do list. It says show your bookmarks. We're going to click this and click show all bookmarks. Once you're onto here, there's this little picture of a star with a drop-down triangle, and you can see the same thing is export bookmarks to HTML. So I'll go ahead and click that, and it acts the same way as what we just did. I'm going to make sure it's on my desktop and hit save, and that's how you save your Firefox bookmarks as a special file. Okay, so there's the other bookmarks, and you can title it whatever you want. I'll just title this one Firefox bookmarks. So that's your way of saving those, and then you just want to make sure before the end of the school year you drag those into OneDrive and make sure they sync, and then next school year you can import those bookmarks and be ready to go. So understand though that that option means you can't access those bookmarks over the summertime. The only option that will allow you to access bookmarks over the summertime is signing into Google Chrome and using Google Chrome on a laptop over the summer. When you sign in, you should be able to access those on a different computer, but not necessarily a mobile device. So those are just sort of, I'm saving them for over the summer, and then I'm good next school year when I have my computer again. Safari is the only one that, to my knowledge, because it uses iCloud and your Apple ID, it actually will automatically sync to all your devices. So if I bring up my iPad and I bring up Safari, you can see there's all my bookmarks that are also on my computer.